Hello, first grade. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and talk about solving addition word problems with facts to 20. All right. So in this, we're going to go ahead and really talk about using objects, drawings, and equations so we can help solve different types of word problems. So I'm going to go ahead and put a word problem up onto the screen. All righty. So we have Caleb collects stickers. He has 4 more stickers than Zoe. Zoe has 5 stickers. How many stickers does Caleb have? So we want to go ahead and look at this problem right here. And I'm going to go ahead and I want to highlight an important part of this word equation. 1 second. So in this word problem, it says he has 4 more stickers than Zoe. Zoe has 5 stickers. So we see that Zoe has 5 stickers and Caleb has 4 more stickers than Zoe does. So we're going to go ahead and draw a picture. 1 second, I'll draw my picture. So I want you to think, who has more stickers here? Go ahead and just say it out loud. Yes, Caleb has more stickers. How many stickers does Zoe have? Yeah, she has 5 stickers. So wait a second. How many more stickers does Caleb have than Zoe? He has 4 more. So we need to go ahead and figure out how many stickers Caleb has. All right, looking at this, I know I'm going to write Zoe. So I'm going to count out 5 stickers for her. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and look to see how many again Caleb has. We don't know how many Caleb has, but we do know that he has 4 more than Zoe does. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write Caleb's name. I know that Caleb has 4 more, so I'm going to draw a second set of 5 boxes. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I know that Kayla has 4 more, so I'm actually going to color and put them in a different color to show us 4 more. Do them in blue. What am I doing down here? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I put it in a 10s frame way so it's easier to count. So let's go ahead and count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's think, how many more stickers does Caleb have than Zoe? Yes, he had 4 more, and that's why I drew the 4. Now thinking, how many does Caleb have altogether? He has 4 more. So thinking about that, he has 9 stickers all together. So I'm going to go ahead and do an addition sentence to go along with this. So I know for Caleb, 1 second. I know for Caleb that 5 plus 4 more of those equals 9 altogether. So Caleb has 9 stickers. So again, my equation right here is 5 plus 4 equals 9. So Caleb has 9 stickers. So in the equation, it's extremely important to look at the problem thoroughly. So look at it to see and ask yourself, what are they asking me to do in my problem? All right, let's go ahead over a problem that I'm going to make that talks about, instead of saying 4 more, it's going to say a number fewer than that one. So let me go ahead and make that problem for you. All right, here's my problem. Aiden has 8 coins. Aiden has 5 fewer coins than Tracy. How many coins does Tracy have? So what we're trying to find out here is, we know that Aiden has 5 fewer coins than Tracy. How many coins does Tracy have? So I'm going to start out with drawing 8 coins under Aiden's name. So let me go ahead and write Aiden. And I'm going to draw his 8 coins because I know he has 8 coins. Like we see up here, Aiden has 8 coins. So I'm going to draw those 8 coins. 1, 2, 3. Actually, I'm going to draw them. And draw them in circles. Sorry about that. All right, let's do it again. Because they're coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All righty. So we know that Aiden has 8 coins. So it says Aiden has 5 fewer coins than Tracy. So that means that Aiden's amount is smaller because it's fewer. It says fewer. So Aiden's amount is smaller than Tracy's by 5 because it says 5 fewer. So I'm going to write Tracy's name over here. And I'm going to draw those 8 coins because it says she has 5 fewer than 8, which is the amount that Aiden has. So I'm going to go ahead and draw those 8 coins. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking back up in my problem, it says that Aiden has 5 fewer coins than Tracy. So I did my 8. So I'm going to draw 5 more coins onto Tracy's, but I'm going to go ahead and do those in blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a real quick tip that I'm going to show is I'm going to circle my group of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to box them off because that's showing my group of 10. So it's easier for me to count. So let's go ahead and count Tracy's. We have 10 in here. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many coins does Tracy have? Tracy has 13 coins. So again, you can see the word fewer or in this lesson, and you can also see the word more. So you need to make sure you're reading the word problem carefully so you're able to understand what the problem is asking you. So I'm going to give you one problem that I want you to do by yourself with the word more and one with the word fewer. So give me 1 second while I get that up. All right, here's the problem, the word problem. There are 5 oranges. There are 6 fewer oranges than bananas. How many bananas are there? So I want you to look at the problem first. All right, I'm going to go ahead and underline it before you take the time and figure out the problem yourself. So we know that there are 5 oranges. There's already 5 oranges. All right, and we know that there are 6 fewer oranges than bananas. We're trying to figure out how many bananas are there. All right. So we know that we have to draw 5 oranges. And we know that there is 6 fewer oranges than bananas. So we need to figure out how many bananas are there. Go ahead and pause this and try and figure this out. And when you're ready, go ahead and unpause. Alrighty. Look, you have figured out this problem. And if you need some more help and you are like, I don't know if I got it, I'm going to go ahead and help you with this. All right. Looking at this, we see that we have 5 oranges. So I'm going to go ahead and write the word oranges. I always want to label my work. That way I know what I'm doing. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and get some circles. And I'm actually going to do this in orange to show my oranges. I'm going to do 5 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I know there are 5 oranges. All right. Then it says there are 6 fewer oranges than bananas. So I'm going to write the word bananas. All right. I'm going to draw my 5 because I know that there are 5. They have 6 fewer than oranges. I'm sorry. There are 6 fewer oranges than bananas. So looking at that, I'm going to draw my oranges. So I'm going to I'm going to do this in a different color. Just going to do it in green. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Alrighty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw 6 more because that's my number. Ready? Draw 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to figure out how it says there are 6 fewer oranges, I know up here is my group of 5, like my oranges that I have in green. Now I'm going to count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 in my red. So I know there's 6 fewer oranges than bananas. All right. All right, let's go ahead and look. All right, so like I just said, I have 6 red there. All right. We're going to count how many we have all together. And again, remember that the best way to figure out your group of 10 real quick is to count. I have 5 up here, 5 down here. Here's my tens frame, and I'm going to go ahead and mark. Sorry. I'm going to go ahead and mark to be my group of 10. Oops. Alrighty, so I have my group of 10 there. So 10, 11, right? There are 11 bananas. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. 11 bananas. So with my equation, I'm going to go ahead and write 5 because I have my 5 up here in green, which shows the 5, and then plus my 6 red, which equals 11. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. So again, there are 5 oranges, all right? There are 6 fewer oranges than bananas. So I carried over and I did my group of my 5 oranges, all right? So there's 5 bananas right there, all right? And then we know that they have 6, the oranges are 6 fewer. So I drew 6 more bananas there. So 5 plus 6 equaled 11. Let's go ahead and do one that is with the word more. Let me go ahead and get that. All right, let's go ahead and look at this. So we see the problem says Ariana sees 3 more foxes than Henry. Henry sees 4 foxes. How many foxes did Ariana see? So let's go ahead and look. We know that Henry sees 4 foxes. We're trying to figure out how many Ariana sees. So Ariana sees 3 more foxes than Henry. So go ahead and pause this and try and figure this out. When you're done, go ahead and unpause it and we'll go over it. Alrighty. So you figured out how many foxes Ariana saw. So let's go ahead and check our work. So we know that Henry sees 4 foxes. We're going to go ahead and start with that. So I'm going to go ahead and write Henry. Oops. All right. And we know again that he sees 4 foxes. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares to represent my 4 foxes. I'm going to write Ariana and figure out how many she saw. So we know that she saw 3 more than Henry did. So looking at Henry, we know she saw 3 more than Henry. So we know that Henry saw 4 foxes. So looking at that, I'm going to go ahead and draw 4 foxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw the boxes here to represent my foxes. And we know that Ariana saw 3 more than those 4. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in blue and draw 3 more. I'm going to complete my number. 2 times 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and count how many Ariana sees. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many foxes did Ariana see? She saw 7. Let's go ahead and do our addition problem. So Ariana knew that Henry saw 4 foxes, so she saw 3 more. So we're going to do 4 plus the 3 more she saw, which equals 7 foxes all together. So again, you are learning in this lesson how to solve addition word problems with facts to 20. Good job.